Okay, hi, I'm Jen, and I am getting ready to go to Disney World by myself. It is my first ever solo trip to Disney World, and it's also my first ever trip during the holidays, so I'm super excited. And it's only a couple weeks away, which means it's time to start thinking about what I'm going to wear. Um, so I have all my t shirts out on the bed, I have all my mouse ears out on the bed. And I have each day marked with which park I'm going. So I decided to make a video about this just because why not? I love watching Disney videos myself. So let's get to it. All right. So I think my husband would probably say that the best part about me doing this today is that I actually made our bed, although it's still kind of wrinkly, but I did make it. So this is my schedule. First day I'm going to get to Disney World is on a Sunday, and I'm going to Disney Springs. I do have reservations like at 3 in the afternoon at Wine Bar George. Cannot wait. Day 2 is Epcot. And I'm staying for the first time ever in a deluxe resort. I'm staying at the Riviera Resort. So I'll get to stay late that Monday night at Epcot. So that's why it says late night. Day 3 is Animal Kingdom. Day 4 is my first Magic Kingdom, and it'll be a late night too, because again, Riviera Resort, and it's a Wednesday. Day 5, Hollywood Studios. And my last day right now is planned for Magic Kingdom, but if I don't get something done at one of the other parks or want to go to the other parks, I'll switch it around. Some of these days are determined already because I got t-shirt especially for it. So, day 3, Animal Kingdom, I'm wearing my Disco Yeti shirt because of course. So that one is easy. And then some shirts I definitely want to wear, but I'm not necessarily sure what day. So this is an example of this. I turned 50 years old on September 28th, and Disney World turned 50 years old on October 1st. So Disney World and I are almost exactly the same age. We're both 50 this year. And I love this shirt. And you know what? I think I want that to be my travel day shirt. I think I want to wear this on the day I go to Disney World and that I go to Disney Springs. So we have day 1 and day 3 figured out. Oh, you know what else is figured out for sure? Hollywood Studios. So let me come around and show you this. It's my only Spirit jersey that I have. I'll turn it around so this is the back of it. And you can see it's my Baby Yoda Spirit jersey. So Baby Yoda is day 5. It's hard. My other Star Wars shirt is this Rebel shirt, but I'm going with Baby Yoda. Also because it'll probably be chilly. Okay, so we have 3 more days. And there's a good chance that I might end up changing shirts like when I go back home for a break in the middle of the day. But I still want to plan. Okay, so, Okay, Epcot. What do I want to do for Epcot? Do I want to do the American shirt? No, I kind of like all the different countries in Epcot. You know what? I think I want my Van Gogh shirt maybe for Epcot. Let's go with that for right now. Okay, we have 2 Magic Kingdom days. I love my complicated shirt a bunch. Let's do that my last day, day 6. And then let's do my Pride Mickey on day 4. Yay! I'm so excited. The ears, some of the ears are easy. So I have my Pride ears to go with Pride Mickey, of course. I think I want to wear these. When do I want to wear my 50th anniversary ears? They probably go best with this Epcot shirt. Let's do that. And now I'm just into whatever works, right? Okay, let's do my Mickey Mouse Club ears on my travel day. Plus they'll be smaller. And let's do my pink ears on Animal Kingdom Day, maybe. You know what? I need more ears. These aren't matching because like those American ears I like, but they do not match Complicated. They match this shirt, which right now I'm not planning to wear. Very strange. All right, well, here's where I am right now. We'll see if it changes. So that's my plan for right now, and I'm definitely looking forward to it, to put it very mildly. Cannot wait to go to Disney World. And picking out my t-shirts is one of my favorite things to do. Bye-bye.